Take control of your crypto transfers and save on gas fees by mastering network fee adjustments in Safepal. First, navigate to the Safepal app and initiate the process of sending your cryptocurrency on the transaction details screen. You'll see an option for network fee or gas fee. Tap on this. Here, you'll find different fee options. Typically labeled as slow, average, and fast, these correspond to varying transaction speeds and costs. Choosing a slow fee means your transaction will likely be cheaper, but take longer to confirm. Selecting fast will prioritize your transaction and get it through quicker, but at a higher cost. For most users, the average setting offers a good balance, however. If you're not in a hurry, opting for the slow fee can significantly reduce your overall transaction cost. Conversely, if speed is critical, a fast fee is your best bet. Once you've chosen your desired network fee, simply confirm your selection by tapping the Confirm or Apply button. You'll then be taken back to the transaction review screen. Carefully check all the details, including the adjusted network fee, before finally approving and sending your transaction. Understanding and utilizing these network fee adjustments will help you manage your crypto efficiently and save valuable gas costs.